Hello and welcome to my channel, DIY with Aurea. Today is part of an open collaboration. I'll talk to you about that in just a few minutes. I went to the secondhand store and look at this beautiful bowl. I think this is like an ice cream bowl, I'm not sure, but I only paid 75 cents. I'm going to be painting the inside of the bowl with this metallic gold paint and I'll give it 3 coats. So I'm using my heat tool just to make sure that this dries fast because we do not want to wait and I'm impatient. Once that is done, I'm going to do the same thing but with black chalk paint and I'm going to be painting the inside. Once the inside is completely done, then I'll proceed to the outside of the bowl. I think I put a little too much black chalk paint to this bowl, so I'm gonna have to be eliminating some of it. But no big deal, it'll go right back into the bottle. So once this is completely done, I'll make sure that it's nice and dry. I'll put it to the side. Once it's nice and dry, I have these beautiful gemstones from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating right in here. Now, if this is not your taste, you can always make it farm decor or however you want to decorate it. But for now, this is how I am going to be decorating it. I am loving these rhinestones, so this is exactly what I'm going to be doing. You could add nautical rope, you could add a nice lace ribbon. I mean, the options are endless. And just remember that this is completely customizable. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and put it to the side, and then I have a second vase also from the secondhand store, and this one I'm just going to go ahead and add these beautiful black stickers. They're like rhinestones and they are absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. I love this beautiful ribbon, so I'm going to go ahead and use both pieces, of course. And look at this, this is looking nice and classy. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of that same black chalk paint and I'm gonna paint the bottom of this vase. After completing painting this vase, I'll set it aside. Stay tuned for the final review. And as part of our monthly open collaboration every third Saturday of each month, I am thrilled to host along with Loli D's Creations. This month, we welcome Miguelito's DIY along with CJ's DIY. It is an honor to have these talented creators in our group. I've included their links directly to their channels down in my description box along with a playlist. Please visit them for more inspiration. Don't forget to like their channel, subscribe, and share. And now let's continue with our second DIY. And these candles, I am in love with them. I love the shape. I'll be removing them from the package. And with the same chalk paint in black, I'm gonna give it 1 coat to both of the candles. Have these gold candle holders from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be placing it right inside, and I'll just put it to the side and wait for both of the candles to dry. Once they are dry, I came in with more of these rhinestone stickers, and I am just going to go ahead and wrap this part right here. I'll be doing that to both of the candle holders. This is so beautiful and classy. I truly do love this. This candle holder is so beautiful. I am just so so in love. I can't wait to display it in my new home. This DIY was nice and quick and so easy to make. And again, I'm going to show you the final review in just a few. But now let's go ahead and continue with our next project. This gold frame, I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm continuing with the black chalk paint. I'm going to go ahead with a sponge brush. I'm just going to go ahead and rub just like you see here. And I'll do that to the entire frame. I'm going to take 2 of these butterfly stickers and I'm going to be placing them right inside the frame. And this is it for this beautiful project. Look at how gorgeous it looks, nice and classy. And of course it goes with the set that I am creating. Now let's go ahead and move on to our next project. I have this vase, I don't even know where I got it from, and this fishbowl from the secondhand store. And this is leftover from some candles. So I'm going to be putting everything together. I'm going to wipe this and then I'm going to be taking some hot glue and gluing both of these pieces together, and then I'll be placing it right on top of that bigger bowl. The fishbowl, I'm going to be placing it right here. So I'm going to be using again some more hot glue. And then the second glass lid, I'm going to be placing it right in the inside. I will be securing it with more hot glue. And this is the way it turned out. Now I have more of those gemstones, so I'm just gonna go ahead and place them wherever I think they look nice. Remember to explore the work of these talented creators. Inform them that I refer you to their channels. And if you're from their channels, I am so honored to have you here. I sincerely hope this isn't your first visit, and I invite you to stay by subscribing. In this space, you can easily add a candle or candies for a simple touch. Consider a floral arrangement or a floating candle with water. If you are considering giving this a try, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram channel. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Last year, I created something similar and I added 2 little bunnies in the inside, and they were ceramic along with those little chocolate eggs, and it was looking so beautiful. I'm going to be linking along with the playlist and the channels to these creators a mega playlist in case you want to check out that link as well. And this is turning out so beautiful. I'm also going to be adding the clear gemstones right in the middle between both of the bowls, and I'm going to be adding a beautiful candle. If you follow me, you know that this is not my usual setting. As most of you know, I am relocating, so I had to find a different spot to record on. And this is the spot, that's why it looks kind of different. And also in the next few weeks, I have several more collaborations coming soon. So make sure to subscribe. Don't forget that notification bell button so like that every time I upload a new video, you'll be one of the first ones to be notified. Your presence throughout the entire video, your like, your comments, and sharing, along with watching until the end, contributes immensely to the growth of this channel. I sincerely appreciate your support from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, and I am looking forward to seeing you in my next video. This video was a little different. I am showing you all my projects all at once, and here it is, the final review. I hope you enjoy it.